How to delete search history on TikTok in just a few easy steps. First, open the TikTok app on your phone and log in if you haven't done so already. Look for the magnifying glass icon at the top of the screen and tap on it. This will take you to the search bar, where you can see what you've searched for recently. If you want to remove just one of your searches, find the X next to that search term and tap it. That will delete that specific search. If you want to delete all your search history, scroll down and tap on See More to see everything you've searched for. At the bottom of this list, you'll see an option that says Clear All. Go ahead and tap that. A message will pop up asking if you really want to clear your search history. Just confirm that you do. After you've cleared your history, go back to the search bar to make sure it's empty. By following these steps, you can easily clean up your TikTok search history. This helps protect your privacy and gives you a fresh start on the app. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe.